Where we at? After powering through the first 1,600 miles, we finally reached New Mexico, where the adventure began. So join us as we take the road less traveled. So where we at?
Roswell, New Mexico, land of the aliens.
Hey. Hey. Ozzy hated the aliens at the visitor center. All right, so we just stopped in Roswell, had some lunch / dinner at Pepper's, pretty good spot. Got some good advice from a local, and the advice was to skip all the touristy stuff, like the museum. We're gonna go camp out and see if we can find any aliens tonight. Do you think we're gonna find any?
I think so.
We believe. We'll
This is
see.
Alien Town.
This is Alien Town, USA. To the aliens.
To the UFO.
So we drove a little ways out of town and found this secluded, dispersed camping spot. And this was our first time taking the trailer off-road. So it was a great test to see how the suspension worked and see how the trailer handled on the road less traveled. After driving for a couple miles down this dirt road, we found a cool spot to pull off and set up camp on relatively flat ground. After parking, we got out and heard some elk bugling, which is pretty amazing, and then we had a couple other strange visitors come by. I haven't really seen anything too crazy, but what's that?
Oh my gosh. What the heck? Wow, that is... I actually slept pretty well last night because Rob gave me the nicer cushions, but I don't think Rob really did. So I think I'm gonna give him the comfier side tonight and risk it. So, yeah. Here we go. First real campground. October 5th, I think. I don't even know what date it is. There we go.
It's tougher off-roading than Florida.
We got our house, we got our car, we got our babies in the back, and my baby in the front. And that is how it's done. Is it socially acceptable to wear Birks and socks now? Back to my roots, baby.
Now that we're out west.
Rob can't make fun of me now.
Okay, full disclosure. We didn't stay in Roswell, but we did stay in the Lincoln National Forest outside of Alamogordo, New Mexico, which is where White Sands National Park is located. After getting loaded up, we hopped in the truck and headed towards White Sands. Here's a quick look at one of the tools for our trip, and this is the Iron Jaws wedge, which helps keep the trailer secure on and off-road.
Coffee!
It was a beautiful 45-minute drive from our camping spot to downtown Alamogordo, where we got Dom her coffee.
All right, how you doing? Okay.
Ozzy, where are we at? White Sands! We're at White Sands National Monument. It's the newest national monument or national park in the country. Pretty cool. About to go see what the dunes are all about.
Got our pass.
Got our park pass. Important note, you can't buy it online and expect to have a digital copy. Just buy it at the park. It's worth it, 80 bucks. Pays for itself within like 3 visits.
Yeah, we're excited.
To the sand. Oh, what? No, look how wide it is up there.
What's on your nose? He's like, throw the ball. Go get it. Oh, what are you doing?
Gonna wire up our solar panel that's on our roof so we can charge all of our gadgets.
Nice.
Keep our sangria nice and cold too.
Yes, that's important.
Probably the most important thing we have to keep cold.
Yes, and ice.
And ice.
Wow, would you look at this view? Just look at it.
Pretty amazing. Come on, buddy. Come on. Let's go. Hey. Here it comes. Come on, boys. Get your ball. Ozzy, get your ball. Wow. Oscar, what do you think? He's like, put me in that backpack. You're a good dog. This is in fact so cool. Can you make it back up? Come on, buddy.
Come on.
You can do it.
He's like, I don't know.
Come on. Ozzy, come on. Oh. Oh no.
Wow, if you put your hands in the sand and then rattle your hands together, your hands feel soft.
Oh, really? Come on, Oz. Come on, buddy. 4-wheel drive.
Oh.
He's gonna roll.
Oscar, don't go down.
Come here. Come here.
Oscar, come here. Come here, Oscar. Good boy. That's hard. How'd you do that?
Oh. To the sand.
Oh. Oh. Good job. Come on, babe. Come on.
Oh. What a workout.
That was awesome.
Wow.
Get your ball. Balls are a bad idea at the sand dunes. Aren't they, Ozzy? Good catch. Glad we took our shoes off.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep mine off until we get out of here.
Yeah. Come on.
There's the rig.
There she is. There's our home. Home sweet home.
Mm-hmm. Oh, 4 hours of hiking through the sand.
I don't know how he did it.
Stay tuned as we take the road less traveled to Arizona.